No more sci-fi daydreams. Electric planes are no longer just a futuristic dream. They're taking off today. But will they replace jet engines anytime soon? And what about flying cars? Imagine a world where your daily commute happens in the sky, all powered by clean, renewable energy. But how close are we really to making this a reality? Believe it or not, electric aviation isn't a new concept. The idea dates back to the 1800s, but real breakthroughs only started happening in the 20th century. One major leap came in 1973 with the Sunrise, a solar-powered aircraft developed by AstroFlight. It wasn't manned, but it did prove that renewable energy could keep a plane in the air. Fast forward to 1981, when Paul MacCready, a pioneer in human-powered flight, unveiled the Gossamer Penguin, the first manned solar-powered aircraft. It had limitations, but it paved the way for today's innovations. Then came a game changer. In 2009, Swiss engineer Bertrand Piccard led the first flight of the Solar Impulse, a fully solar-powered aircraft. It made history by completing the first-ever night flight without fossil fuels in 2010. Fast forward to today, and electric aviation is taking off. Literally. We now have electric planes capable of short-haul flights covering up to 500 miles on a single charge. These planes promise quieter, more efficient, and cleaner air travel, significantly reducing the aviation industry's carbon footprint. But let's talk challenges. Current battery technology still holds us back. How do you power a plane for long-haul flights using electricity alone? Engineers are racing to find out. The biggest obstacle? Battery weight. The more powerful the battery, the heavier it is, and every extra pound makes it harder for a plane to take off. To put it into perspective, lithium-ion batteries in electric cars are about 50 times less energy dense than jet fuel. That means an electric plane would need a battery pack the size of a refrigerator just to match the power of a single gallon of jet fuel. Not really ideal for long-haul flights, right? But that's not stopping innovators. Researchers are exploring solid-state batteries, which are lighter, safer, and more energy-dense than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Hybrid electric propulsion is another exciting solution. These systems mix electric power with jet engines or alternative fuels like biofuels and hydrogen. Airbus's E-Fan-X project replaced one of 4 jet engines with an electric motor, showing the potential of hybrid flight. Hydrogen fuel cells are also making waves. Companies like ZeroAvia are testing hydrogen-powered planes, which emit only water vapor. Imagine flying across the country with zero emissions. But will these advancements be enough to see electric planes on all flight routes? The industry is cautiously optimistic. Long-haul flights might take some time, but regional and short-haul routes could be fully electric within a decade. Now, let's talk about the big question. When will flying cars become a reality? We're closer than you might think. Prototypes are already in the air, and while they're not quite the flying cars of the Jetsons, they're a promising start. Take the Aeromobile 4.0, a Slovakian prototype that can switch from road mode to flight mode in just 3 minutes. Imagine pulling out of your driveway, driving to a small airstrip, and taking off all in the same vehicle. Then there's the Terrafugia Transition, a street-legal car that transforms into an aircraft with just a short runway needed for takeoff. It's already completed test flights and is designed to work within existing aviation infrastructure. But that's the catch. Infrastructure is key. Imagine cities with designated air lanes, much like roads today, but for flying vehicles. Sounds futuristic, right? Or is this our new normal just waiting to happen? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would you trust a flying car? Type yes if you'd fly one, or not yet if you'd rather wait. So there you have it, the past, present, and future of electric aviation and flying cars. The sky's no longer the limit. The future is taking off. If you love tech and innovation, hit subscribe and ring that bell to stay updated. Go ahead and drop your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear what you think.